Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video will be a few productive days in my life. I don't know if I should call this a productive days because I'm going through this phase where I'm not productive. Like, I'm not even kidding, these days I'm not productive at all. So on this day I wasn't home during the day, so because of that I wasn't able to do anything related to studying. Because of that, nowadays, I think it's been a week or so, I've been like a little bit more productive by the evening, like around evening from like 6 or 5:30 till 12 a.m. or maybe more than that. I don't know why, but I only can do work at during these hours. Usually in the morning I'm so lazy these days. I don't know why, but this is a phase of life maybe. So here I was doing physics. Actually, these are my backlogs. I have to complete it. I'm so behind. Like, everything was going well, the preparation, my classes, I was not missing any of this, and all of a sudden like a thunderstorm came in backlogs, and because of them I'm not able to go through my normal routine. So today I decided to complete few topics of physics. So I am basically done with all the things that I had to do today, so I'm just ticking it off on my Notion. Before I start studying again, I want to show you guys my Notion setup, and also this portion of the video is kindly sponsored by Notion. Thank you so much to them. I've been using Notion for a while now. So for those of you who don't know what Notion is, it's an all-in-one workspace where you can basically organize every aspect of your life, whether if it's your school, your job, hobbies, and especially for me as a student and as a YouTuber, it does get really tough to manage stuff and organize my life, and Notion really helps me with that. So I thought I will give you guys my Notion setup, like give you guys a tour of it. So my Notion setup is pretty simple, and I'm not really going for aesthetics here. I just made it more practical for me. So this is the overview of my Notion, and the first thing I have is an icon, anime icon, and you can also change the cover. Mine is like slightly like a anime themed. And then I have my milestones and stuff that I have to get done. So I just cleared everything, and I have all the days of the week. And then since it's Sunday today, I just going to reset the whole thing. Then I have some stuff that I couldn't get done this week. And then I have a habit tracker where I track all of my habits. Basically, this is a template that I got from the Notion itself. There are a variety of templates available, or you can create your own. Then I have a weekly reflection at last. So over here, I just jot down how my week went and what were the highs and what were the lows and the proud moments, everything. So this is a place where I actually show my emotion. The next one is a quick note where I just jot down my thoughts. Then over here again I have an anime gif as cover, and then a little reminder for myself, and down there I just jot down my thoughts because I'm not a person with a lot of friends, so I just write down whatever I'm feeling and my thoughts down there because we need that. We need to let down our thoughts. Then I have a random to-do list, like a random one, because these are the stuff that I never get done, like never. And so because of that it's so embarrassing. And then I have important dates and work. And also it's not that updated. Today is the 31st. We have to plan November. I'll be planning that today, so this is my October one. So yeah, and the next one is the task list, and again I have an anime gif as a cover, and then I have the stuff that I have to doing done. It's also not that updated, but still, yeah. So we're moving on. The next one is my daily plan, and for the daily plan I have a cloud theme going on, which is my favorite, and then I have a quote, and then the things I have to do daily. So this is how I plan my day, and this is how I fabricate my life or my daily life. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my Notion setup. So if you guys are interested, you can sign up by using the link below. So it's the next day and I woke up kinda late, and then I did my morning routine. I was supposed to wake up early, then I just slept in, and now I am going through my Notion and planning everything. So that's what I like to do. So yeah, I'm so behind on chemistry. So today is going to be, or the rest of the vlog is just going to be me doing so much of chemistry, because I have to complete the whole chapter, the classification of elements, that chapter, and then I have to start chemical bonding. Haha. So after hours and hours of classes, I did not have a breakfast or anything like that, or even lunch. And around 4:40, I felt like eating something cool. So I decided to throw in something.
食ってけよ。スパイスの奥深さを見せてやる。まず1品目、鶏肉のコリバタカレー。南インドの代表的な品の一つだ。さっきのカレーリーフを使って香り付けした。おお、すっげえうまそう。なんだこれ。
After all that, I worked out for a bit, then took a shower, then we got back onto our job. And I was almost done with half of the chapter, but the rest of the chapter was still left out. Oh my gosh, I hate when I have backlogs. Sad life. I know, this is bad. Even if I try so hard to avoid them, they just come. I don't know why, but... And I also have, while editing this video, I have stuff to do and I'm not doing it. I don't know why, because I'm just so lazy. Oh my gosh, this is bad. But I think this chapter was kind of easy because we were learning the same concept, whatever we learned in class 10. It's like some sort of repetition, but in an advanced form. So yeah, and I was just going and doing what my teacher was saying. So yeah, but this only continued till 7:30 because today was India versus New Zealand match, World Cup match. I went to watch it and it was a heartbreaking loss for us. So it's the next day and I am ready to suffer, but yeah, I continued with my chemistry lectures. Why are these never-ending chemistry lecture haunting me for life? Why? I'm sorry if this voiceover is disturbing you in any sort of way, because I am so lazy to do anything, even to talk, but I'm doing this for you guys because I love you guys so much. And also we are so close to 50k, and if you guys did not subscribe, please consider subscribing. I love you guys, and I think I've never said to subscribe to my channel to anyone before. Like, not even when I started, I didn't go to people like saying subscribe to my channel, subscribe to channel. And it's totally fine if you don't want to subscribe. Yeah, it's all good. So here I was planning to pull a all-nighter to complete my backlogs. So I was so determined to complete my backlogs and go to bed peacefully. So I started again. I don't know why I'm just talking so casually. I don't know why, but like, what is this? What's happening with me? You might think I'm crazy, but trust me, I'm not. And after posting this video, I'm sure I'll be embarrassed of myself. So after completing that chapter, I moved on to the next chapter, which is chemical bonding, and in between, the power went off. And this chapter was kind of boring, but yeah, I still managed to get through it. So the next thing I'm going to do is the new hobby that I started. So it's basically I am researching on Pacific or some diseases that I see around me. So, and I'll conclude into a conclusion. This is very much crazy of me, but I love doing that. So the NEET 2021 results got declared. I hope you scored well and got into your dream college. If not, then that's totally fine. It's okay. Don't worry. Let's give it another go. So we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.